We all cheered when Tony Stark snapped his fingers. But what if I told you the Avengers didn't just save the world, they accidentally shattered the laws of existence? In the original script, there's a terrifying theory known as the Eternal Snap. Imagine if the stones didn't just bring people back, but merged every version of them from every timeline into a single physical space. We're talking millions of youths trying to occupy one body. This isn't just a comic book trope, it's a terrifying echo of a real-life phenomenon known as shared delusion or folie à deux. In 1901, two teachers at the Palace of Versailles claimed they walked through a rip in time, seeing Marie Antoinette and buildings that hadn't existed for a century. They weren't crazy. They were witnesses to a time slip. Imagine if the Avengers time heist triggered a global time slip, where 2026 Bangalore suddenly merged with the 1700s. To understand how Endgame should have ended, look at the Philadelphia experiment of 1943. The US Navy tried to make a ship invisible, but instead it teleported. When it reappeared, sailors were reportedly fused into the steel hull of the ship, still alive, screaming from within the metal pig. If the Avengers messed up the atomic synchronization of the PIM particles, the blip wouldn't have been a heroic return. It would have been a biological horror. People returning to find their homes replaced by solid concrete, or worse, reappearing 30,000 feet in the air. Because the Earth had moved in its orbit, this isn't myth, it's orbital mechanics. Without a sentient wish, billions would have materialized in space. The true ending: a silent, frozen graveyard across the galaxy. There's an urban legend about the man from Tord, a traveler who arrived at a Tokyo airport in 1954 with an impossible passport. He vanished from a guarded hotel room overnight. What if Thanos wasn't the villain, but a correction? Some theorists believe reversing the snap created a Laniakea void, a real mystery where galaxies are being pulled toward an unseen force. In a spookier version of Endgame, the movie ends with the heroes winning, only to realize the stars are going out one by one. They didn't win. They just broke the universe's autosave feature. And the timekeepers, or something much older, coming to delete the file. The Avengers gave us a happy ending, but real-world physics suggests that messing with time always leaves a scar. Was the blip a miracle, or a countdown we can't stop? If you had the gauntlet, would you risk shattering reality just to bring back one person? Drop your alternate endings below. Hit subscribe to join Chizu Mythos Studios. Stay curious and stay watchful.